Hi, this is Victoria with ThemeHouse. I'm going to show you how to use the report tool in UI.X Pro so you can create the best version of your forum. After UI.X Pro has been installed, in the admin panel, navigate to Setup, UI.X Pro, and click Your Report. At the top, you will see your score, which is based on the required settings, recommended settings, and customization suggestions you implement. You can quickly view the status of the settings in Suggestions. As you scroll down, you can see the details of the settings and suggestions for improving your forum. The ones marked automated will be marked as resolved when completed. For the others, once you've completed a setting or suggestion, you can select the Resolve button. Some tools for helping set up your forum can be found here to direct you to UI.X Pro documentation, your ThemeHouse dashboard, and our Help Center. If you have any questions, please visit themehouse.com. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about UI.X Pro's reporting tool.